In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery on your Ram 2500. This is going to be located in the engine bay. Let's get started. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to remove the two nuts for the brace. You can just loosen that back nut and slide this over. You don't have to remove it. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to loosen the negative battery post. Remove the cable, pull it off to the side. Be sure it doesn't contact that terminal. Remove the positive battery cover. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the terminal. With your terminal loose, we're going to grab the back of this block and pull out towards the back to undo the plastic clips and then pull it off. These are those 3 plastic clips I was talking about. They just grab onto the side of the battery. I'm going to cover that terminal so it can't contact my battery again. Remove the battery blanket. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to loosen the battery hold down. Remove the bolt. Remove the plastic block. Remove the battery. Install the battery. Get it into place. Install that plastic wedge block. Install the bolt. Get the bolt started by hand. Snug the bolt down. Install the battery blanket. Install the positive terminal first. Pull it over into place. Make sure the terminal is fully seated. Snug the terminal down. Pull the battery cover over. Reinstall it onto that little tab if you have it. Install the negative battery cable. Snug the terminal down. Pull the brace back over into position and get the bolt started. Snug the bolt down. Snug down the nut. Get them both nice and tight, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.